I'm gonna show my prices here. So the first thing that I'm gonna apply is Lakme Smooth Foundation, and this is so cute. This is, I think, actually a 12-gram makeup, and this is so portable that you can carry around your purse anywhere. As you guys can see, I have used a little bit over here. I'm just gonna take it from my fingers and I'm gonna apply it on my face. And make sure you apply it on your neck as well, because your skin have to match on your neck and on your face. It has to look even. Let's blend it. This is a Swiss Beauty's foundation brush, and I got these things in a set. It comes in a set, and I ordered this actually on Blinkit. Yes, I actually order a lot of things on Blinkit, and I'll put here the price as well. This is in a creamy texture. As it says, it's a mousse foundation, so it blends very quick. Look at that. And it doesn't cover your pimples. If you have pimples like me, for that you have to take a full coverage foundation. That may cost you more than 700-800, but this is good for college, office, or if you are getting ready for a quick run out for 2 to 3 hours. This is the best foundation. Next comes my favorite concealer. This is Maybelline's Eraser Concealer. This is what it actually says. It actually erases dark circles. To make it flow, you have to twist it like this. I think you guys can hear the sound. And I'm gonna just apply it under my eyes and above and at the corners of my nose and on my forehead. And now let's blend it with my foundation brush. This comes very handy actually. As you guys can see, this covers up the dark circles so good. I mean, for a girl who works night shift like me, this concealer is a go-to. Now, let's go to our eyes. I'm gonna use Color Bar's waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is quite affordable as well because it says waterproof. Waterproof eyeliners are actually not affordable, but this comes handy. Let me show you how it looks. This is like a wand, but this is so hard when you touch like this. It's not a brush actually. I have to wipe this off. I don't know where. I'm just gonna wipe it off in my table. We all girlies do that. So yeah, let's apply this. Can you tell the difference? I mean, like, this is so good and bold. I have tried a lot of eyeliners, but I stuck with this a lot more than any of them. Yeah, such mein. That's why I tell you that this is my favorite eyeliner. It gives so bold finish within one strike. This is a magic wand. So for the next thing, we're gonna go with the mascara. This is my favorite one because this is affordable and beginner friendly as well. Come on, who doesn't like this? I bet every girl, even a makeup artist, has one of these in their collections of mascaras. It gives you that subtle finish look. I mean, this is good if you are going out for only 3-4 hours. I mean, waterproof ones are little hard to get out, but this you can easily get it out with any makeup cleanser. Can you see the difference? I mean, look at that. My eyelashes are looking curled actually. I didn't curl it. You can see the difference. If you are a beginner at makeup, you're gonna love this thing. My eyes are finished. Let's go to lips. I have two options in lips, and these both are quite affordable and comes in handy for college girls as well. This is Maybelline New York's The Creamy Matte. As it says, it is really creamy. I have it in two shades. One is in pink and one is in nude color. And you know that all girlies have to own a nude lipstick for emergency crisis. You're gonna thank me later. So I think I'm gonna go with nude because I'm showing you basic everyday makeup. This is how it is. You can apply it with darker shade of brown lip liner. It will look even more aesthetic. But right now I'm gonna show you without lip liner because I need you guys to know how it looks on bare lips. Look at that color. I mean, it's not too dark, it's not too light. It's perfect shade for everyday use. It's perfect shade for everyday use for college and office. I'll put the shade and price over here. You guys might be thinking the look is complete, but no, a pretty touch is still there. Cheek tint. I mean, who doesn't love cheek tint? I have blush blindness and I apply way too much of this, but who doesn't? This is Earth Lip Uncheated. This is my favorite because it has that baby pink glow. I mean, you'll see. I'm just gonna apply it with my hands. Can you guys see it already? Like, OMG. This is what I told you. I have blush blindness, and it makes sense why. How much ever you apply, it looks less. I mean, look at that. I have applied way too much, but why not? I'm just a girl. With this, my look is complete and I absolutely love it. Love this basic, natural, everyday look. This looks so subtle, so soft, perfect for everyday college and office. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna turn some heads. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than so yeah, me. That's it. That's the tutorial, simple tutorial. And I hope you girlies have loved it. And don't forget to subscribe. It only costs you 0 rupees. And have recently hit 100 subscribers. I mean, I'm so happy for that. I know it's not a lot of number, but for me it is because I have been working my ass off for this and it's literally paying off. I mean, it's a little slow, but I'm getting there. I'm getting somewhere with you guys, and that's all I want. So yeah, I already have 100 family members and I love you guys a lot. Don't forget to comment below what you want to see on my next beauty vlog, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.